Why you caught nothing at a spot that was exploding yesterday. 4 reasons and solutions. Have you ever had a fishing spot that was absolutely exploding yesterday, only to return today and catch nothing? Same bait, same line setup, same spot, yet not a single bite. Don't panic. This happens to almost every angler at some point. Most of the time, it's not your setup, it's the environment that changed. Today, I'll explain 4 main reasons this happens and how to fix it. Reason 1. Temperature changes. Fish react strongly to water temperature. If the weather changes, fish may leave the area to find a more comfortable zone. Also, after a period of heavy feeding, fish may not be hungry. They're less motivated to bite, so even if your setup is perfect, bites may be scarce. Solution: fishing on days with stable or slightly windy weather. Wind increases oxygen in the water, making fish more active and more likely to bite. Reason 2. Wind direction and low pressure. South or east winds often bring low pressure systems, which reduce dissolved oxygen in water. Fish become sluggish, and bites drop drastically. Solution: choose high pressure days with light windings. The combination of wind and pressure keeps oxygen levels up and fish more active. Reason 3. Sudden heating or cooling. Rapid temperature changes confuse fish. Water that suddenly warms or cools makes fish less willing to eat, often requiring 2-3 days to adjust. Solution: during these periods, increase bait's attractiveness. Add ingredients with strong aroma and high protein. For example, Antarctic krill powder can boost both scent and protein content in your bait. Tips: many shrimp powders sold online are fake. True Antarctic krill powder is pale or light colored, not bright red. Add 10-20 krill powder to your mix more in colder weather, keeping your bait consistency the same. Reason 4. External environmental changes. Nearby activities like fertilizer application or pesticide spraying can pollute water, causing fish to stop feeding. During these times, bites can vanish entirely. Solution: move slightly and add a few extra feeding spots nearby. Fish may be just a few meters away. Don't fixate on one exact spot, a little trial and adjustment often pays off. Additional tips: hook and line setup. Using smaller hooks and finer lines can increase bit sensitivity. In colder months or tough conditions, a fine-tuned setup helps detect subtle nibbles that a heavy hook might miss. So, if your favorite spot goes quiet after a good day, remember these 4 factors: temperature, wind or pressure, sudden temperature shifts, and environmental changes. Adjust your bait, tweak your setup, and consider nearby spots. Chances are, you'll see the float moving again in no time. I'm a fishing enthusiast sharing practical wild fishing tips. Like, save, and subscribe to learn more strategies to improve your catch, no matter the season or weather.